Classic import here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1983 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL convertible. Champagne metallic. Paint code on this one, 473. Of course, underneath the hood, 3.8 liter. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, 4-speed automatic. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. You can see paint has a nice shine to it. There's a few spots where you're going to come across an imperfection here, there, a little bit right there if you can see it. But this is one of those cars. Get in, turn the key, go have some fun with the top down. Your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows are, let's face it, just out driving it on a Sunday afternoon. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. A little scuff there in the fender. Mercedes wheels, Bridgestone radial tires. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. Technicians noted this does have new shocks in it. Also air filter. Look practically new. Brakes, 85% in the front, 90% in the rear. So again, get in, turn the key and go. That AC blows cold. If you want the top up, otherwise majority of the time probably gonna have the top down. One little small spot right there in the door. So again, paint has a few blemishes. I haven't noticed anything crazy over the top as far as dents or big scratches, anything like that. Interior does appear to be stock. We'll put up the top at the end of the video. Of course, it would be a manual top. One person can put it up. Very simple. This would be a soft top only car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a good look at the chrome in the rear bumper, deck lid, of course the hard tonneau cover. This will pop up and you can fold the convertible top out from underneath there. Of course, 2-seat roadster or convertible. If you like these imported classic, maybe you're into Mercedes, maybe you just like convertibles in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor if you make it to see us in person. And as you can see, driver's side of the car also shows well. This car does have a clean Carfax. There's no accidents indicated on it, by the way. All right, let's go ahead and let's pop this door open. We'll get a little closer look at this interior. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, you're going to see the convertible top up, and we'll also take this car for a drive. Now, this does have power windows. Controls are in the center console. Door panels. Seat conditions. Upholstery seems to be original. Not bad shape either. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Odometer reads 99,284. Technician noted the odometer was in op, just so you know. All right. As far as gauges, I have had the wipers working. Also had the radio working. See if we can get a station to come in indoors here. And it is an AM/FM cassette, as you can also see. Or indoors. I had it working earlier. Like I said, just need to get a station that comes in. All right, we got the antenna up here. That's going to help with the station reception. And here we go.
1,000 people in Blurs, LeSueur, and Nicollet and
Alright,
County.
so I'll show you the radio does work.
Health and education. We're also working to shine a light
Top of the
on
dash,
suicide
looking
prevention,
good.
substance use disorder.
Passenger seating surface. Also looking good. Center armrest. Slip around to the back, see this run. There you can see antenna came up. Definitely helps for reception indoors. Again, 3.8 liter underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Sounds like you'd expect. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood open so we can check out the engine bay, and then we'll take a peek at the top. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. In the still pics, you're going to see the data tag here. You'll see close-up of the VIN tags. All those will be in the still pics. And here it is. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nice smooth runner, no doubt about that. .8 liter V8. All right, that's the engine bay. Let's go ahead and get this convertible top up and check out the condition of that. And here we have the top up. So black fabric top. This is a manual top. One person can put it up in a matter of a minute or so. The tool for tightening it up above the windshield is about a third of a turn, quarter of a turn. That tool is in the glove box. Piece of cake to tighten it up to that windshield. And as you can see, nice tight fit. I did also roll up the side windows. They're power and they do work. Nice fit where the side glass is at. No rips, tears, or holes. It appears that it's been replaced. Looks like a newer top. It is a nice shape. You can also see the power antenna goes back down. Rear window, good shape. Around to the passenger side here, side glass also fitting nicely. So if you did need the top up, a little warm out, AC blowing cold, it's going to work just fine. Now remember, stick around to the very end a little longer. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Otherwise, this one's a lot of bang for the buck. Fun car, a lot of miles left in it. 1983 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1983 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL convertible. Very 80s looking in the beige wood and flat black combo. Nice, smooth, quiet running Mercedes. As you can see, we do have the top down today. Beautiful day, 74 degrees for a high. Automatic right here in the center console, which makes this car super easy to drive. Our factory tachometer working well, speedometer also. Temperature gauge and oil pressure. The oil pressure is showing the top of the gauge. The rest of them are in the normal range. Factory looking stereo. Perfect song for this car and a sunny day. Nice smooth ride. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays right in the lane, doesn't pull to either side. Factory appearing bucket seats in this car are comfortable. Brakes are working very well. Start corners as it should. Semi-luxurious in the corners. Pushing the throttle down, the transmission does kick down, and you can feel the power as you accelerate. Great running Mercedes-Benz. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.